A pleasant day to everyone. We are here to discuss what is the derivative of exponential functions.
Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on understanding the derivative of exponential functions. In this presentation, we'll explore what exponential functions are and how to find their derivatives. We'll provide clear examples and step-by-step solutions to help you solve this fundamental concept in calculus. What are exponential functions? An exponential function is a form of f of x equals to a to the power of x, where a is a constant and x is the variable. These functions grow or decay rapidly as x changes due to the exponential nature of their growth. Derivative of exponential functions. The derivative of exponential function f of x equals to a to the power of x with respect to x is given by the f prime x equals to a to the power of x ln of a, where ln of a is the natural logarithm of a. This derivative represents the rate of change of the exponential function at any point x on its graph. Here are some examples of derivative of exponential functions. My groupmates will explain on how to solve a derivative of exponential function.
Here is a simple example of derivative. We have here the derivative of e raised to 5x plus 3. So here's the step on how to solve this. Get the derivative of 5x plus 3, which is 5, then multiply the e raised to 5x plus 3 to 5, and you will get 5e raised to 5x plus 3.
Our topic is about the derivative of exponential function, and in this part I will teach you how to solve it and get the final answer. First off, we must differentiate the exponential function y equal 5x plus 7. If you will notice in our formula, we have the letter u, and that denotes a change of variable in our given problem. And besides the u, that in the exponent of e, we also have to get the u prime in order to get the whole answer. We can have the u prime by getting the derivative of the numbers indicated in our problem. Now let's answer our given problem. Let's proceed to the process. First off, we have to let u be equal 5x plus 7. Then the next step is getting the u prime, or basically the derivatives of those numbers. So what's the derivative of 5x plus 7? It's 5x is 5, 7 is 0. So our u prime will be 5. Now that we are done with this process, we can proceed now to the last part, which is substituting u to our given and multiplying it to the u prime. So e 5x plus 7 times 5 will be y prime equal 5e 5x plus 7. This will be our final answer.
Here are some examples of derivative of exponential functions. To find the derivative of exponential functions, we have two different formulas that we have to remember. The first one, derivative of e raised to u times u prime. The second, derivative of a raised to u times u prime times ln a. Those are the formulas that you have to remember in order for us to find the derivative of exponential function. We have example here y equal 10 raised to 5x. First, substitute it in our second formula, which is the derivative of a raised to u times u prime times ln a. It becomes y equal 10 raised to 5x times ln 10 times 5. The answer is y equal 5 ln 10 parenthesis in 10 raised to 5x, because 5 times ln 10 becomes 5 ln 10, and then substitute the 10 raised to 5x into parentheses.
We have here the derivative of e raised to 3x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed plus 4. The next step of this example is derivative is equal to e raised to 3x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed plus 4, and find the d and over dx. 3x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed plus 4. The next step is derivative is equal to e raised to 3x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed plus 4, and find the derivative of 3x
raised to 4 minus 2x cubed plus 4, and it's 12x cubed minus 4x. The final answer is 12x cubed minus 4x, and e raised to 3x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed plus 4. Thank you.
Derivative of the exponential function. So I have two examples here. So the first example is yung y equals e raised to 4x plus 7. So let u equals 4x plus 7. Then next naman ay kukunin natin yung derivative ng 4x plus 7. So u prime equals the derivative of 4x is 4 and the derivative of 7 is 0. So the next is y equals e raised to u, then y prime equals e raised to u times u prime. Then y prime, so equals, using the example, so y prime equals e raised to 4x plus 7 times 4. So the final answer is y prime equals 4e raised to 4x plus 7.
So, meron po tayong examples dito ng derivatives of exponential functions. Y is equal to 10 raised to 5x. So, ang una po natin gagawin dito is ilalet natin ang ating exponent by u. Then, bukod kay u, kukunin din po natin si u prime. So, ang u prime natin dyan ay 5. Then, i-identify din po natin si a. So, ang a natin dito is yung base natin which is 10. Tapos, itatry po natin i-substitute ang ating mga variables dun sa ating exponential function. So, we have y equals 10. Ang 10 po natin ay yung letter a. Then, yung 5x natin na exponent siya yung ating letter u. So, kung mapapansin po natin, meron po tayong y equals to a raised to u. Yun po yung ating exponential function sa pangalawang formula. So, we can now use this formula which is y prime equals a raised to u times natural logarithm of a times u prime. So, ang ating derivative dyan ay y prime equals a raised to u times the natural logarithm of a times u prime. So, isa-substitute na po natin ang ating mga values ni a. Ang a natin is 10. Then, ang exponent natin is u, which is 5x. Then, we have a natural logarithm of a, which is 10 po, times u prime. So, ang u prime natin dito is 5. So, isimplify lang po natin. Ang magiging final answer po natin dito ay y prime equals 5 times ln 10 kasi hindi po natin pwedeng i-multiply si 10 times 5. So, hindi po siya magiging ln 50. So, ang magiging product po natin dito ay 5 ln or natural logarithm of 10 times 10 raised to 5x. Ito po yung final answer natin.
That's the end of our presentation about the derivative of exponential functions. If you have questions and clarifications, you can comment down below. See you on our next video.
Thank you for listening to our tutorial video. We hope you learned something.
I'm Fritzy Hermo.
I'm Sarah Nicole M. Palva.
I am KG Moranan.
I am Artalia Bailosis.
I'm Chaim Tejera.
I'm Vince Landing.
And I am LJ Nobio.
Bye!
Thanks for watching.